Okay, out here on a nice Sunday afternoon, day after daylight, or the day of daylight savings, and replacing a purge valve on a 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. And this is what the part looks like right here. So you can see here it plugs in right there, and then there's a hose that connects to this thing right here, and then there's another hose that connects to the top. It's right there. That part goes where this is, and then this plug, very easy to disconnect, and of course that goes right in there. And underneath there is a threaded mounting hole, which I was able to loosen up to the point where I was able to get the part out using a 5/16. Yeah, that's what it was. And see, there's the Toyota part number right there. This is what they call it, vacuum switch, but it is a purge valve, and it says purge, valve purge right there. So anyway, hopefully that's going to get rid of my check engine code P0457, and I guess only time will tell. But anyway, in case you were wondering, and it's very easy to access, and the cover to the motor just pulls off. There's no screws holding it on. Have a nice day.